Welcome to Wisdom Story, where we delve into the timeless teachings of Buddha and other spiritual masters to bring wisdom into your everyday life. Today, we're exploring a topic that is crucial for personal growth and success decision-making. We all face countless decisions every day, from the trivial to the life-changing. But how do we ensure that we're making the right choices? How do we navigate the complexities of life without being overwhelmed or making impulsive decisions we might regret later? In this video, we'll reveal how Buddha's teachings can guide us to become more mindful, balanced, and insightful decision makers. These are not just abstract concepts, they are practical tools that you can apply in your daily life, whether you're deciding on a career move, resolving a conflict, or even just choosing how to spend your time. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of how to approach decisions with clarity and confidence. So stay tuned, because the insights you're about to gain could be transformative for your life. Trust me, this is knowledge you'll want to absorb fully, and by watching till the end, you'll be better equipped to make decisions that truly align with your values and aspirations. Before we dive into the teachings, let's talk about what you'll gain from watching this video all the way through. Buddha's wisdom offers us timeless principles that can improve every aspect of our lives, but when it comes to decision-making, these teachings are especially powerful. Here's what you'll learn. 1. Mindfulness in decision-making. Discover how staying present and aware can prevent hasty, emotion-driven choices and lead to decisions that are thoughtful and aligned with your true intentions. 2. Balance in the middle way. Learn to avoid the extremes of overthinking and rash decision-making by following the middle way, a path that promotes balance and harmony in your choices. 3. Detachment from outcomes. Understand the power of letting go of rigid expectations and how this can free you to make decisions with a clear mind and heart, reducing stress and anxiety. 4. Self-awareness and reflection. Gain tools to increase your self-awareness so you can make decisions that reflect your true needs and values, rather than being swayed by external pressures or fleeting emotions. These insights are not just theoretical, they are meant to be practiced and integrated into your daily life. By applying these principles, you'll find that decision-making becomes less of a burden and more of an empowering process. But before we get into the teachings, please take a moment to like this video, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to Wisdom Story. Your support helps us continue to bring you content that enriches your life. Let's spread this valuable wisdom far and wide. Now let's dive into the teachings of Buddha and how they can guide us in making better decisions. We'll break this down into 4 key principles. 1. Mindfulness, the foundation of wise decisions. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, aware of your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings. In decision-making, mindfulness allows you to observe your thoughts and feelings without getting carried away by them. This helps you make choices based on clarity and reason rather than impulsiveness or emotional reactions. For example, when faced with a difficult decision, instead of rushing into a choice, pause and take a few deep breaths. Focus on the present moment. Ask yourself, what are the facts? What are my emotions telling me? By becoming more aware of your internal state, you can separate what is real from what is simply a fleeting emotion or a biased thought. This clarity will lead to better, more informed decisions. 2. The middle way, finding balance in your choices. Buddha's teaching of the middle way is all about balance, avoiding the extremes of indulgence and denial, recklessness and caution. In decision-making, this means finding a balanced approach that considers both your immediate needs and long-term goals. Imagine you're deciding whether to take on a new project at work. On one extreme, you might feel tempted to take it on impulsively, driven by the excitement of a new challenge. On the other extreme, you might reject it out of fear of overextending yourself. The middle way would involve carefully considering both sides: your current workload, your long-term career goals, and the potential benefits and drawbacks of taking on the project. By finding the middle path, you make a decision that is balanced and sustainable. 3. Impermanence, embracing change and uncertainty. One of Buddha's core teachings is the concept of impermanence, that everything in life is in a constant state of flux. Understanding impermanence can be incredibly freeing when it comes to decision-making. It reminds us that no situation, no emotion, and no outcome is permanent. This perspective helps us detach from the fear of making the wrong decision and encourages us to make choices based on what feels right in the present moment. For instance, if you're struggling to make a decision because you fear the potential negative consequences, remind yourself that nothing lasts forever. This doesn't mean being careless, but rather recognizing that every choice leads to new opportunities and experiences. By embracing impermanence, you can make decisions with a lighter heart and an open mind, knowing that whatever happens, it's just another step in your journey. 4. Self-awareness, understanding your true motivations. Buddha often taught the importance of understanding the root of our desires and fears. Before making a decision, it's crucial to ask yourself what is driving this choice. Are you motivated by genuine needs and values, or are you being influenced by fear, insecurity, or societal expectations? For example, if you're deciding whether to pursue a new relationship, job, or lifestyle change, take time to reflect deeply on your motivations. Are you seeking this change because it aligns with your true self and long-term happiness? Or are you driven by a fear of missing out, a desire to please others, or a need for external validation? By being honest with yourself, you can make decisions that truly serve your growth and well-being, rather than choices that lead to temporary satisfaction or regret. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Buddha's teachings on decision-making. I hope these insights have provided you with valuable tools to improve your decision-making process. Remember, the wisdom of Buddha is not just ancient philosophy, it's practical guidance that you can apply in your everyday life. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Did this video help you see decision-making in a new light? Which of the teachings resonated with you the most? Your feedback is incredibly valuable, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your family and friends who might also benefit from these teachings. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to WisdomStory and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We're dedicated to bringing you more content that helps you lead a mindful, purposeful life. Until next time, stay wise and stay mindful. See you in the next video.